Good morning, children. So today we are going to learn about pre-number concept. Okay, about pre-number concept. So children, today we are going to learn about heavy and light concept. Okay, heavy and light concept. Do you know what is the meaning of heavy and light? Heavy means the thing which we cannot lift over. Okay, and light things we can easily lift over. Okay, so children, for example, you can take a spoon in your hand. Okay, you can handle it very easily, है ना? आप उसे आसानी से पकड़ सकते हो, उठा सकते हो, है ना? But if I tell you to lift up the chair, can you do this? आपको आएगा? अगर आप चेयर, मैंने बोला कि आपको चेयर उठा लो, तो क्या आप चेयर उठा लोगे? नहीं ना? So in the spoon and the chair, the chair is heavy thing and spoon is light thing, है ना? जो चीज़ हम आसानी से उठा सकते हैं उसे हम क्या बोलते हैं? लाइट. एंड जो चीज़ हम आसानी से नहीं उठा सकते, जो हमें उठाने में किसी की हेल्प लगेगी, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? हैवी थिंग. ओके, सो दिस इज द हैवी थिंग एंड दिस इज द लाइट थिंग. चेयर इज हैवी एंड स्पून इज लाइट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, the chalk is light. Okay, we can easily take the chalk in our 2 fingers. Okay, but can we lift over this duster in our 2 fingers? No, we have to keep it in your, we have to handle it like this. Okay, है ना? So compared to the chalk, the duster is heavy thing. Okay, the duster is heavy thing. The chalk is light and the duster is heavy thing. For example, you can now in your house, in your kitchen. Okay, आपके kitchen में क्या होगा? Potatoes होंगे और chili होगी. You can just do this activity with the potato and chili. Okay, just in one hand take one chili and in one hand take potato. So you can understand which is the heavy and which is the light vegetable in between the potato and chili. Okay, so now everyone open your hand, open your numeracy skill book. See children, open your numeracy skill book, write CW and today's date. What is the date of today? 18/9/2021. 18/9/2021. Now you can see the pot. Here is a pot and here is a spoon. Okay, the pot is big. Okay, and the spoon is small. So we can easily lift up the spoon, but for a pot we have to lift up with our 2 hands. Okay, so pot is heavy and spoon is light. Okay, then in these animals you can see elephant. Elephant is a big animal and bird is a small. Okay, this bird is a small. So elephant is a heavy animal, है ना? elephant को हम उठा सकते हैं? नहीं. elephant is a heavy animal. Okay, but हम bird को ऐसे हाथ में रख सकते हैं ना? bird को हम ऐसे हाथ में उठा सकते हैं. So bird is a light. Okay, so which thing we cannot lift over easily, that thing we called as heavy thing, and which thing we can lift over easily, that thing we called as light thing. Okay, so now there is a time to do some activity. Okay, so children, you can see here they have given 2 things in each set. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to take the lighter one in each set. जो light thing होगी हम उसे क्या करेंगे? सर्कल में टिक करेंगे. Only we have to tick it. Okay, so now there is a plant. Okay, see there is a plant with pot and there is a leaf. Okay, so now tell me which is the lighter thing in the both of this? pot with a plant, or only leaf is a heavy light thing? Leaf is a light thing, so you have to tick it here. Okay, so you have to tick here like this. So this is called as light thing. Leaf is lighter thing with leaf is lighter thing and plant is heavy thing. Okay, leaf क्या है? Light है. Leaf is lighter in compared to the plant. Okay, now see, there is a second picture of television and mobile. Okay, so now there is a easy and understandable example is there. Okay, so children, you can handle the mobile in your hand. Okay, आप हाथ में ऐसे लेके बैठ सकते हो, है ना? But can you take the television in your hand and see? No, it is heavy thing and it is lighter thing. So light thing we can get it easily and heavy thing we cannot lift up easily. So take this thing. Okay, then on the next page you have color activity. Okay, you have color activity. Okay, so what activity we have to color the heavier vegetable in each set. Okay, we have to color heavy vegetable in each set. Okay, so children, tomato and what this pumpkin, what picture we have? We have a picture of tomato and pumpkin. Okay, so आपने अगर pumpkin देखा होगा या फिर उठाया होगा तो आपको पता चलेगा कि pumpkin is a heavier thing. We cannot lift it easily. We cannot get it easily. Okay, so tomato we can lift up easily, है ना? हम एक ही हाथ से टोमेटो उठा सकते हैं because this is a small thing compared to the pumpkin. Okay, tomato is a small to compare to the pumpkin. So pumpkin is a heavier vegetable. Okay, pumpkin is a heavier vegetable compared to this tomato. Okay, so you have to color pumpkin with an orange color. Okay, then next set we have ladyfinger and bottle gourd. Okay, ladyfinger and bottle gourd. Okay, ladyfinger is a small vegetable compared to this bottle gourd. So which is the heavier thing? Which is the heavier vegetable? Yes, bottle gourd is a vegetable which is heavier compared to the ladyfinger. So you have to color this bottle gourd with green color. Okay, so this is the activity you have to do with your crayons. Okay, so do you understand what is light and what is heavy? So children, the one thing you keep in your mind that जो हम चीज़ आसानी से उठा सकते हैं, which can we lift over easily, that thing called it as light thing, and which thing we cannot lift over easily, that thing we called as heavier. जो आसानी से उठाई जा सकती है उसे हम हेवियर बोलते हैं, लाइट थिंग बोलते हैं, और जो आसानी से उठाई नहीं जा सकती उसे हम हेवियर बोलते हैं. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन, नेक्स्ट प्री नंबर कंसेप्ट है. द नेक्स्ट प्री नंबर कंसेप्ट इज फुल एंड एम्प्टी. सो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ फुल एंड एम्प्टी? फुल मीन्स भरा हुआ एंड एम्प्टी मीन्स खाली. ओके, सो नाउ आई कैन शो यू समथिंग. सी, I have a bucket with the chalks. This bowl is filled with the chalks. Okay, in this bowl there are so many chalk pieces. Okay, and I have one more bowl and I don't have kept it in anything. Okay, I don't have kept it in this bowl, kept anything in this bowl. Okay, so children, this we called as full. Okay, this we called as full and this we called as empty. Why we called it as full and this we are calling as empty? Because in this bowl there are so many chalk pieces. It is full with the chalk pieces, and in this bowl there is nothing. Okay, there is nothing, so this is be called as empty. Okay, so children, इस बाउल में चॉक पीसेस है, इसीलिए हम इसे क्या बोलेंगे, फुल बॉक्स. ओके, फुल बाउल बोलेंगे. और इस बाउल में देर इज नथिंग. ओके, यहाँ पे कुछ भी नहीं है, सो वी कॉल्ड इट एज एम्प्टी बाउल. ओके, सो फुल empty. You can do this activity with your water bottle. Okay, take 2 water bottles, one water bottle fulfill with the water, and one water bottle keep it empty, so you can understand very easily the concept of full and empty. Okay, so do this activity with your water bottle, so you can come to know what is the full and what is the empty. So children, write CW and today's date. Okay, see, there are 2 glasses. One glass is full with the juice, and in one glass there is no juice. So this is a full glass which is fulfilled with the juice, and this glass is empty because there is nothing, there is no juice, so full, empty. Okay, then they have given us the example of dustbin. See, there are 2 dustbins. Okay, one dustbin is full with the garbage and one dustbin is empty because there is nothing. You can see there is so many bags are there in this dustbin, and in this dustbin there is nothing to see. So full dustbin and empty dustbin. Okay, so now you have an activity, that is cross out the ones that are empty. Okay, cross out the ones that are empty. Okay children, see, the first is cup, and it is full with the tea because tea is, we can see tea in the cup. Okay, टी दिखाई दे रहा है ना आपको, so ये क्या है, full cup है क्योंकि इसमें टी है. Now see, this is a pan. Is there anything in the pan? No, so it is called as empty, so we have to cross it. Okay, then we have a box of sweets. Okay, there are so many sweets in the box, so this box is full with the sweets. The fourth one picture is of bag, and in this bag there are so many things. You can see water bottle, you can see book. Okay, you can see so many things in this bag, so this bag is full with the things. Okay, then we have a compass box. Okay, we have a compass box. So in this compass box, is that you can see? No, so this compass box is empty, so we have to make it cross on this box. Then we have a bowl. Okay, can you see anything in the bowl? No, कुछ भी नहीं है बाउल में, there is nothing to see, so we have to cross it because it is empty. Okay, so like this you have to do this activity. I hope you will understand full and empty concept. Okay, then on the next page you have an activity, that is, this basket is empty. Draw and color apples to make the basket full. What they have told us, the basket is empty and we have to draw some apples to make it full. Okay, so this is your homework. You have to draw apples. So how we will draw? Semicircle like this, and one more semicircle, and then draw stems like this and leaf. Okay, apple. Okay, like this you have to draw some apples. You have to color them with red color. Okay, so understood about full and empty concept? So do you understand about full and empty concept? Okay, so next concept is more and less. What is more and what is less? More means the things which have number more than 1. Okay, more than 1. And the less means the things which have number less than 1. Okay, so children, I'll show you some example, that is crayons. See, these markers. Okay, see how many markers are there in my one hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, एक से ज़्यादा है ना, so we called it as more markers. And in my another hand, I have only 2 markers. So 1 and 2 markers. So compared to this 2 number is less, है ना? So I have more markers in my one hand and less markers in my another hand. So more means बहुत ज़्यादा और less means बहुत कम. Okay, so more means what? बहुत ज़्यादा and less means कम, बहुत कम. Okay, तो more, I have more crayons. Okay, more, I have more crayons in my one hand and I have less crayons in my one hand. Okay, so now everyone open your numeracy skill book to the page number 18. Write CW and you can see more, less. There are two glasses and the two glasses there is juice. Okay, see, इस ग्लास में जूस जो है वो फुल भरा हुआ है ना? In this glass the juice is more, the glass is full filled with the juice, and in the another glass there is quantity of juice is less. Okay, so कम है ना, यहाँ पे ज़्यादा है, इस ग्लास में ज़्यादा जूस है और इस ग्लास में कम जूस है. तो हम क्या बोलते हैं? जो ज़्यादा है उसे क्या बोलते हैं? मोर, और जो कम है उसे क्या बोलते हैं? लेस. ओके, सो मोर जूस एंड लेस जूस. ओके, मोर जूस and less juice. Okay, then we have picture of birds. Okay, see, there are two nests. Okay, so first we have to count these birds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there? There are 5 birds. Very good. And in another nest, 1, 2, 3. Only 3 birds are there. So कहाँ पे ज़्यादा है? Where you can see more birds in this nest, and where can you see less birds? In this nest. Okay, so in this nest there are more birds, means more than 1. Okay, and in this nest there are less birds. Okay, कम है. यहाँ इस नेस्ट में बर्ड्स कम है और इस नेस्ट में बर्ड्स ज़्यादा है, because there are 5 birds and in this nest there are only 3 birds. Okay, so children, we have to do now activity. Tick the one that has less in each set. Tick the one that has less in each set. Okay, so now here there is 1 log and here there are 3 logs. So which number is less, 1 or 3? Yes, 1 number is less, so you have to tick in this circle. Now we have second picture of flowers. Okay, you have second picture of flowers. See, blue color flowers, there are 2 flowers. Okay, and pink color, there are 4 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pink color flowers, how many pink color flowers are there? There are pink color 4 flowers. Okay, and 2 color flowers are in blue color. Okay, in blue color. So which are which flowers are less, 4 or 2 flowers? Yes, 2 flowers are less. Okay, so now on the next page you have an activity that tick the one that has more in each set. Okay, so now what you have to do? You have to tick the picture which has more numbers of object. Okay, so this is your homework. Okay, I hope you have understood 3 of the activities, 3 of the concept, that is That is more, less, and heavy, light, and full and empty. Okay. So children, do these activities so you can come to know easily, you can understood easily all the concepts. Okay. Thank you.